So what we can make with Oreo?
Oreo milkshake. Yes, that's a very good idea. Guys, we're gonna use the Oreo to make the Oreo milkshake. So all you need is just Oreo, 2 tablespoons of sugar, ice cream, some chocolate sauce, and some milk. Let's make the yummy milkshake together. So first we take out this.
All we need is 6 Oreos. Okay? So you can put 6 in a blender.
Okay. So guys, now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. 3, 2, 1. Add some milk now. We're gonna add the 1 scoop of ice cream. Small spoon. Spoon. So guys, we're gonna take out a spoon of chocolate and put it in the blender. Everything is in the blender. Now, time for 3, 2, 1. Cake is ready. Now let's put it in the glass. If you like my Oreo milkshake video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Do try this yummy Oreo milkshake recipe at home. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone!
Nice? Yummy? It's yummy?